Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Now let us discuss superclass species. Devonian period is called golden period of fishes. The study of fishes is called ichthyology. This superclass includes true fishes. Species is first true jawed vertebrate in these groups. Animals are aquatic, may be freshwater or marine. Body is long, board-shaped and streamlined, which is divided into head, trunk and tail. Neck is absent in this superclass and smile glands are present on the body. And the body is covered by dermal scales, but catfish, torpedo and Pelagonia fish are scaleless. Color in fish is produced by iridocytes present in the dermis. Paired fins are present for swimming. Examples are pectoral and pelvic fins are paired fins in this superclass. Along with this, unpaired fins are also found on the body. Example, mid-dorsal fin and caudal fin. External ears are one pair. This condition is known as Dirhinow's condition. External and middle ears are absent. Only internal ear is present, in which three semicircular canals are present, which works as statoreceptors. Eyes are without lids. Respiration takes by gills, and gills are about 4 to 7 pairs and naked or covered by operculum. Air bladder helps in respiration in lung fishes. Heart is divided into two chambers and it is known as a venous heart because it contains only impure blood which goes to the gills for purification from heart, and pure blood is then distributed to all parts of the body directly from gills. That is, circulation of blood is unicircuit. RBC are uniculated. Sinus venosus, renal and hepatic portal system are found in the circulatory system. Endoskeleton is made up of cartilage or bones. Vertebrae in fishes are amphicoelosis, in which centrum is concave at both the surfaces. In the skull of fishes, only one occipital condyle is present, so their skull is called as monocondylar type. Cranial nerves are 10 pairs. Lateral line receptor system is present in the body of fishes, which includes many receptor organs which can detect vibrations and electric field. Kidneys in fishes are mesonephric type. Cartilage fish excrete urea, marine bony fish excrete trimethylene oxide, and fresh fishes excrete ammonia. Urinary bladder is absent in these subclasses. Fishes are unisexual. Fertilization is internal or external. Eggs are mesolecithal or megalecithal type. Extra embryonic membranes are present in fishes, so all the fishes are placed under the group Anemoniota. Metamorphosis is direct, that is, larval stage is lacking during development. They are called blooded polychilothermic animals. Exception, tuna fish and swordfish are endodermic. Small fishes, baby fishes are called fry or hatchling. Fishes show a seasonal migration in a particular season. Catadromous migration means migration of fishes from fresh water to marine water. Example, Anguilla. andromous migration. Andromous migration means fishes migrate from water to fresh water. Examples of this are salmon, hilsla, etc. Fish which can tolerate a narrow range of salinity in water is stenohaline. Fish which can tolerate a wide range of salinity in water is called euryhaline. Species is divided into three classes and these are called as Placodermi, Chondrichthyes and Osteichthyes. Now let us discuss about the class Placodermi. In this class, extinct fishes means fossil fish are included which used to live from Devonian era to Permian era. So these first freshwater true fishes. Their body was covered by bony platelets. So they are called armored fishes. Examples of this are first jaw fish, Dinichthys. Class Chondrichthyes or Elasmobranchi. This class includes cartilaginous fishes. There are normally marine and few are inhabited tropical rivers. Endoskeleton is made up of cartilage. Exoskeleton cover the skin and it is made up of placoid scales. The scales are like denticles and are originated by dermis of the skin. In these fishes, they have 5 to 7 pairs of gills which open directly outside the body by gill slits. Operculum is normally absent in these fishes. Mouth is present at the ventral surface of the head. Jaws and teeth are present. Suspensoriums of jaws is halostylic type. Air bladder or lungs are absent. 5 pairs of spiracles are present. A spiral value or scroll value to increase surface area is found in intestine. Cloaca apparature is present. Gentle ducts are open into cloaca apparator. There is a special structure at the dorsal surface of the head in these fishes which is called ampulla of Lorentzi that works as thermoreceptor. Liver is bilobed. Tail is heterocercal type. Fertilization is internal. Male fishes have slaspers or copulatory organs which are developed by the inner edges of pelvic fins. Fishes are oviparous or viviparous in this subclass. Operculum is absent. Cartilage fish with operculum is placed under halocephali group. Examples: Colidion, dogfish, dog-like sense of smell. It is also known as Indian shark. Viviparous comes example size: Scyprina, hammer-headed shark. Stygostomata, tigerfish or zebra shark. Carcharodon, great white shark, man-eater shark. Rhinobatasus, guitarfish, persist, shawfish, trigon. Its dorsal fin has poisonous spines. Torpedo, electric, and it is also called as electric clay. In this fish, an electrical organ is found which is modified as muzzle. It can give shock about 100 volts. It is exoskeleton less. Rhincodon, whale shark. It has a large true fish. Its length is 13 to 14 meters. Chimeria, ratfish or king of herrings or ghost fish, connecting link between bony and cartilaginous fish. Now let us discuss about osteichthyes or teleostomi. This class includes bony fishes and these are found in fresh water as well as marine water. Endoskeleton of these fishes is made up of bones, so these fishes are called as bony fishes. Their exoskeleton is made up of scales which may be cycloid or ctenoid or ganoid type. Placoid scales are absent. Respiration takes by 4 pairs of gills. These gills are covered by operculum at each side of the body. Mouth is normally terminal or subterminal. Teeth are found in jaws. Helping respiratory organs, that is air bladders, are present. Lungfishes respire through air bladders. In other fishes, these air bladders are hydrostatic, that is helping in maintaining balance of the body. Sparacle is absent. Sacral valve in intestine is absent. Colca is absent in place of colca apparator. Anus is present. No ampulla of Lorentzi is present in these fishes. Liver is trilobed. Tail is normally homocercal type, but sometimes it may be diphyscercal type. These are unisexual genital ducts that opens outside the body through separate apparatus. Fertilization is external. Claspers are absent in male fishes. Fishes are oviparous but may be viviparous also. Examples of this class fishes are labio. It is a freshwater fish, carnivorous when young but becomes herbivorous when it becomes an adult. Catfish or magur, scaleless fish. Catla fish, freshwater, it can found in freshwater. Heteropinotosis fish, lata fish, lophios, anglerfish, hippocampus, she horse, and it swims in water in its vertical projection. A pouch-like structure is present at the abdomen of male. Fishes known as brood pouch. In this pouch, male collects the egg, secondary vivipare, and permanental care is found in hippocampus. Anabus means a climbing perch, unable to climb trees, like Sardinella or salmon. Accipenser or sturgeon fish. In this, endoskeleton is cartilaginous. Petrophyllum, angelfish. In this, and Exocetus, flying fish. Its dorsal fin is long. It can fly over 400 meters with the help of this fin. Anguilla, and it is also called eel. Snake-like migrate to sea from swamping. Young eel migrate back to freshwater. Root fish, Bombay duck, Amia, bowfish, Remo, and Echiniosis means remor sucker fish shows commensalism with shark and males. Dorsal fin is modified into sucker. Latimeria fish. This fish live in fresh fossil and it is the oldest living vertebrate known till now. It belongs to group Crossopterygidae or Cephalocephalus, ice fish, only vertebrate without hemoglobin. And Toda fish, stonefish, it is the most poisonous fish. Ambushia fish, topvinau, larvivorous fish. These are the examples of this fish class. Now let us discuss the fats of this class. Sagarin is dried skin of cartilaginous fish. Cod liver oil is rich in vitamin D about this class. Shark liver oil is rich in vitamin A. A Maltese cross is found in vertebrae of shark for supporting vertebrae. Mermaid's purpose refers to eggs capsule of shark. Isinglass is a gelatinous product from air bladder for certain fish to making cement, jelly, and for clarification of wine and beer. Smallest fish, Mytisia chithasis and goby fish, is about 8 to 10 meters. Now let us discuss about the class Dipnoe group. Fishes of Dipnoe group are called lung fishes because their air bladder helps in respiration. Three-chambered heart is present in this group. Both external and internal ears are present. Their tail is heterocercal type. Scale is placoid type. These are freshwater fishes. Examples of these classes are Potropiterus, African lungfish, and it is living fossil fish. Next one is South American lungfish. Next one is Neocercado, Australian lungfish.